Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a junk journal planner in like vintage and steampunk style. Here you see the cover with rusted gears. So it's all handmade. Very happy how the way it came out. And there's this closure with a metal gear and this elastic, because this one is filled up. And the base construction is this envelope construction inspired by Bohemian Crafting, but I did my own ideas on it, so I bound more pages in and such. And these little embellishments, these little stars, are also inspired by Bohemian Crafting. I loved to do those. They're very relaxing. So in the front I made this front pocket and my self-made tags with all my scraps and some steampunk embellishments here. And all these papers are self-inked and stamped and such, so no, especially for the base construction, no pre-made digitals or so. Just all self-made. And this is the first envelope, and I put in each envelope an extra booklet. Embellished it a little bit, and there are some embellishments here. And there are weekly plans in it for 12 weeks. So there are six booklets with 12 weeks, and they are not dated, so you can use them as you like. This is a Nick the Booksmith design, this weekly planner. So, and you can label it how you want. So I didn't determine this for January, so you can use it as you want. I can take it out and work with it, so you don't have to deal all the time with this quite chunky planner. And then you can put it inside back. And there is always this front full pocket, and I put always the self-made tags in here, maybe for special prompts of the months or so. And then there are a bunch of papers, like the digital paper, steampunk themed, and also self embellished pages with stamps, die cuts and such. So a lot of room for your free journaling for the month. And I put inside every signature just a monthly overview. In this case it starts with January, but you also sure now we have already February, and you can start with February or March, and then next year you turn to January, so I think it's not such a big deal. And there are 2 signatures in every compartment, so the next signature has the next month overview in the middle. And again, more free journaling space. And we come to the next envelope, again with another tag. And on the other side, another booklet for the weekly planning. As I said, 6 weeks. Here I have this this clock embellishment, and there are all the pages for the free journaling. And for March, this large clock here in the middle. Piece of vellum you can write on, some more stamping. April. And the next envelope with another tag here. And the compartment for the next booklet with the weekly spreads. I'll show you the pages, of course. And again, May. Die cuts and stamping. Here the next. And the next booklet with a little key here. Some more stamping. I could use all my, or a lot of my lovely Tim Holtz stamps, which I really love. So, July, some more stamping. And also digital prints on some pages. So I think there's a lot of journaling space for the whole year. This is the next tag. So and here is another booklet with weekly layout, and here this is just like another booklet piece of paper for writing. And there is this tab that peeks out, and you can see it's another embellishment just tucked behind. So there's a lot of room for you. You can also put some of the booklets out and put other things in. So I think there are a lot of possibilities to work with this book. So, and here, and you can see, can also take this from this side out, and there's this little bit of cheesecloth here, and another booklet with the weeks. So we are November. All the pages. And the last month here. So and now we come to the next envelope. I think it's the last one. And there's again a tag. And here I started to put in more paper for like this. These are shopping lists you can use as you like. Just put them a bunch in there. And this nice big card for more writing. There's a little saying you can put into the envelope. And there's also this piece of coffee tea dyed paper you can pull out or let it in as a flip out. So I leave this here. And this is also a flip out for more journaling space, and I put just some more papers. These are meant to be like trackers, so all the days, and here your goals, and you can mark if you reach the goals or not. You can use them as you like, put it into your journals or tuck it into the pockets of every month. So lots of possibilities. And there is a mini envelope. I came up with a nice idea to make them. I had just some leftover double-sided, not double-sided, but you know, the label paper you can print on for embellishments. I had some leftovers, and then I put on the sticky side some tissue paper. And now this is very sturdy and light, and I think it looks very vintage. And you can see all the wrinkles of the tissue paper. And so I made these little envelopes. There you can put some little stuff in there you want to store. And here is another flip out, and there I put some more papers with to-do and with goals you can use in your journal, and another envelope, and this little Rolodex card. A nice spread to journal. This is another flip out, and here is this pocket clear with acetate, and you just put this lovely journal card behind. And on the back there's here are some more papers with a gratitude you can use for your journal, and this is also a little spot to put things behind. I hope you can see everything. So, and now there is this is like a little notebook with some papers, and behind there's also this tuck spot for things, and nice big journal spread. And on the last page there is this flip out with another storage place. Here I put this card here and some more paper, and on top there is this policy envelope I made with this embellishments, and inside I put more ephemera you can use. You clip them together so that you can pull them out easily, and there are little journal cards all in the steampunk theme like this. And I also put all the months you can cut apart and put them on your little booklets when you determine them for your month. And there are all, so not only to May, but there are all in there. And also some plans, ideas, dates you can use, can cut out and put them, glue them into your journal. So where are the other months? They're all there. Here, the other months. Also from Nick the Booksmith journal kit. She made years ago, and it's a lovely planner kit. but I will link as usual all the digital paper designers down below. So you can put them back, and this, as we all know, this string system here to close this. And here you can see the back cover again, and this elastic closure, which is a nice thing to close this up. And there is a little key there, a key for your book. Okay, so you guys, I hope you like this one. Had a lot of fun with it. It's not my usual theme, but it helped me actually to come out of kind of creativity block. But yeah, if you're not really inspired sometimes to make a whole journal, just watch YouTube videos and watch people make little like embellishments and such. But it's a lot of fun. You will need them in your projects, and it's a good way to relax and to find your creativity back again. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and I say bye till next time. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.